20th of March, 2:31 in the afternoon. Question 2 of the day, made in the image of man. Question 2 of the day, I mean, it's question 2 of the month. Anyway, made in the image of man. And I expect to see a 2-word answer on that. And I'm going to put plus 17 ahead. Really should be asking to include animals in the psychology, since I used to fight dogs. There you go, mentalist flip back in the day. Right, I've got to choose the simple purge. Type 1, version 1 method. Dice is type 5. So I could just do a prepared question here and just blindly select a response to act as a response. When it comes to writing or updating your work, you want to focus for those who but it can be difficult to know where to start. Okay. And all too tempted to put it off. Okay, 23 dice, jar 1. 30 dice for jar 2. Both jars will be bounced 10 times arrow sign down prior to secondary selection, as you can see, and forced arrow directions for the secondary selection. So, let's crack on. Let's jar it all up. So the value for jar 1, bounce 15 times, arrow side away from operator, as you can tell, and place the obstacles. I really should do a script, but that's just not me. I had to make up on the spot. Okay, again we'll do the jar swap technique. So line the arrow up. Come on. Where is it? There, yeah. Right, in the middle. And then we've got one in. Okay, triple face there, because it's always facing operator. I've got a bi face there, so we have to take the one on the top. If sometimes it's too many tips, I'll bang the table and hopefully that'll flatten out. Okay, be careful with this. It's 3, it's a 3, it's a 3. And disco. Okay, let's count it up. 88. And so on. Wow, so I'll do this. Go on the TV. A is always God's call sign. Always will be. Always has been. Okay, to secondary value of jar 2. Jar 2, bounced 26 times, arrow side down. Already placed the obstacles. Right, bounce it up and down. Right, center up. Looks like hysterical blackout. She needs rest. I was right the first time. You shouldn't be here. She has to see me. Look at her. She's dressed for the street. All flat. Right, count it up. 102, 102. And 2. Seemingly that is the curse. Like I said, don't be too surprised there's animals in there. Because I am an animal. Barely even. Right, question 3. What's the next life? But I don't know nothing. That's 1A. On to the next session. Well, that'll be.